Hey guys, Lissandro here, and today I'm gonna do more like a personal blog. Um, so far, in case some of y'all know, I attend U of H, studying computer engineering and minor in organic chemistry. Okay, and pretty much already have a lot of things said and everything. Have already have an idea of what I'm gonna do. But the thing is that the thing is this. I already have okay. I already have things set. Already have my professional contact and all. Which is my mentor. That's who's a software engineer. That's pretty much teaching me a lot of stuff, training me. Just I guess showing me the ropes and everything. But there's one thing that I was thinking the other day. Basically, I was doing going over like my degree plan and everything, and one of the things is that I was talking to a friend of mine, you know, and um, I was asking him in regard to a certain advantages and disadvantages of like getting second minor. And the second minor that I'm really strongly considering is genetics. And the thing is that what I realized is that I stumbled upon something that is essentially in a class of its own. And it's something that's pretty much has aim that has aim in the future because I have looked in a lot of medical blogs. I do I like to read different articles, scientific journals from different scientific fields, psychology, genetics, chemistry, computer science, engineering, that sort of thing. And the thing is that I was talking with someone, and what this person told me is that in reality, it's a whole new field of its own. It's something completely different from basically what this person gave me to understand. Is something completely different than some of the other things that I deal with because engineering has its own facets. So does chemistry. So does other scientific fields. But genetics is there's a lot behind it in terms of its application. There's also a lot of questions in the philosophical perspective of it. And the thing is that it lately it just has me question. It has me thinking a lot because one thing this person told me is just what they gave me to understand is to think long and hard before even deciding to go there. And some of the questions I ask myself if I really have the commitment to go through a very difficult field. And and I ask myself, is genetics way much more difficult than any of these other engineering fields? Is it more difficult? Of course, I am aware there's genetic engineering and all, but it has me questioning that if I have some level of difficulty in engineering, will it be more difficult in this field? Because it's something completely different that I'm gonna be doing. It's a whole new perspective that really I haven't considered at all. And I ask myself, do I really want to go into a field in reality I know very limited about. I'm informed of some things, but the thing is that I'm not really sure if I really want to. I'm not really sure, to be honest, what to expect from it. Should I decide or not? And the thing is that it's a certain particular area I want to go into genetics. There was an article in which basically it's an intertwinement between computer science and genetics. And basically, what had happened is that some research, what they did is that they pretty much were able to write code, write program to pretty much encode bacteria to generate certain biological materials, and that's something I'm interested in. But at the same time, I ask myself, is it really if all the trouble I'm gonna go through is really worth it, and do I have really have the commitment to get into that field? I know I have the commitment for computer engineering because I have stuck adamantly by it. I have learned a lot of stuff over the years. I have learned a lot of facets in computer science, construction, operating systems, various aspects of software engineering, and I'm still even learning more from my mentor. Things that I didn't even know, and but even despite all that, already certain that's where I want to go and all. As far as chemistry, I realized that I'm really gifted in that field um, because when I first took chemistry, I didn't a lot of the stuff that other students were doing, they pretty much had to study really hard to understand the concepts of it. When I skimmed over a lot of the stuff, I already understood it really well and all. I didn't have any trouble getting an A on that class. And the thing is, I never had taken chemistry before, and so I'm really certain I want to go there. But as far as genetics goes, I don't know really what to make of it. But this is all I'm gonna say. If some of y'all have any advice or anything to give in regard to this, and all, just let me know in the comment section down below. And anyway, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.